We are Group 410 from the University of Pretoria, and for our project we created a new website for Pretoria Secondary School. This is Luca, the group leader. He was responsible for managing the gallery, styling, server management and communication for this project. Kieran was responsible for the activities and rules pages, as well as research, styling and presentation. Keanu was responsible for the About Us and rules pages, and also aided Kieran in research, presentation and styling. This is Tinashe. We call him the Flash because of how fast he got his work done. He was responsible for the academics and contact us pages, as well as the testing, research and styling. And lastly, Zelu, aka the Investigator, because he headed the research and photography whilst assisting in server management and communication. He created the homepage and was our only member temporarily out of the province. Working on a JCP project during a pandemic is challenging, especially when we are all in lockdown and all live separately. This did not stop the 5 computer science students. Thanks to Discord, we were all able to work from home in a collaborative environment with screen sharing, audio and video calls. This project was completed mostly in Johannesburg, with the exception of Zelu, who worked in both Nelspruit and Pretoria. And now, how we made a website in a pandemic. We began this journey by having an initial meeting with Dr. Martina Jordan, who presented us with the opportunity to update the current website for the Pretoria Secondary School. From here, we investigated the existing website and discussed areas of improvement. After receiving the login to the web host, we looked at the way the previous website was created, that being purely source code without a web development site. We decided to go with a more maintainable approach for the school and use WordPress. This would allow the school to maintain and uphold the website with minimal coding experience, but also allow us to get into the source code as coders to enhance the website. Using WordPress also allowed us to work at the same time, with our work being constantly saved and backed up, without accidentally overwriting another member's code in the process. This is done by locking individual pages to certain members when they are in use. From here, we drafted a proposal with specifications and technical aspects for our contact at the school. The 9th of August marked a day in which we made great progress on the website. Working collaboratively on Discord, we were editing code and altering our spec for the website. By the end of the 10th of August, we had finished the website with placement text and images. We communicated with the school for the required data. However, amidst the ongoing pandemic, they were under pressure. This put our project on hold for the time being. Fast forward to the 30th of August. Despite being denied access to the school previously, with the new phase of lockdown, we were allowed to travel to the school to obtain the required data. We had a Discord meeting on the 31st where we set our plan B, seeing as we lost about 2.5 weeks of time. From the 6th to the 8th, Zelu traveled to the school and took photos as well as retrieved information about the school. This data now needed to be implemented onto the website. An issue occurred with our capacity on the host server. These storage restrictions were dealt with by using image compression. Once we compressed the images, the website was on its final phase as all the relevant information had already been added. After the images were included, we made a last-minute decision to redesign the homepage, as we felt it could have had more information about the school and maybe been a bit simpler. On screen, we will now show a side-by-side comparison of the responsive mobile version and desktop version of the new website. Throughout this experience, as a team and as a group of computer science students, I feel as if this project gave us a glimpse at the real world of coding. We extended our knowledge of server management, hosting, and web languages. We also learned project management skills, the power of effective communication, and time management skills. On behalf of Group 410, I'd like to thank Pretoria Secondary School for allowing us the opportunity to not only work with them, but to extend our programming knowledge and aiding us in the creation of the website, despite the limitations of lockdown. We'd also like to extend this thank you to our contact at the school, Mrs. Williams, the principal, Mr. Lombard, and to Dr. Martina Jordan for assisting us with this project.